Wake up! Wake up!
So why are we here, Lucky? It's like anything else. A series of bad decisions over an extended period of time.
How can someone so small cause so much trouble?